Hope VK had joined. The person who asked the question of JSW Steel. Hope he has joined. Not this, at least like we can expect this. Okay. Yeah. So in case of JSW Steel, this is a weekly structure. Hope this is a two-way structure or something like this has ended here. If it is A and B running kind. So this is a two-way structure again. So most of the time it will be going to the 80% for the show first. So already it has crossed the 80%, that is to make a flatter triangle structure. So here what you can expect is, let's take one more correction here, and 1 2 3 4 and 5. So I'll be checking in a daily now. Okay, I'm just removing everything, so keeping this as like something started here and here. So here we are talking here like some neutral triangle structure. So after this there is a beautiful breakout. So you need to take something has started here at this particular point. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. After that there is a sideways which is going on. So it might happen like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and fifth. Or if already it is a 1 and 2, let's take a something flat has happened. Okay, it finished, and something if started here 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. In that also one more wave is pending. So as per the daily and hourly, it is for the buy. There is no sell it, and hourly will take daily and weekly. Sorry, I'm taking hourly. So here it is in the slower form. Something has ended and it is in the sideways. Hope we'll be getting one more up or like a little bit sideways and one more up. So look for buy in case of JSW, not to sell until and unless it crosses the 343 level on the closing basis on the sharper form. Okay, so look for buy, not for the sell. If something started here 1 2 3 or like 1 and 2 3 and 4 5, a little bit upside is can be expected in case of JSW. So look for buy, not for the sell. Okay. Yeah. Yes, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Anything else? So we'll be looking in, or any chart do you want me to look? You can ask or you can type.
Tata Motors.
India Mart, sir. India Mart.
India Mart.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hourly, and maybe 4 hours.
Okay. India Mart. This one?
That's correct, sir. India Mart.
Okay, fine.
6,000 and not.
Yeah, change. Yes. Okay. Good. Mm. So I'll consider this as a low, or one more something has started at this point. Maybe this is 1 and 2, a third wave. This is 1 and 2, and this is 3 and 4, and this is for the fifth wave of third. Okay, this is a smaller 3 and 4 and 5. So after that you will be getting one more correction and one more up. Oh, don't do this. Sorry. Okay, I'll how to this has to remove, right? Clear up. Okay. Fine. So here in case of India Mart or India Mart, it is for the buy, not for the sell. But if you're looking like a longer or longer time frame targets, or if you're invested already. So I'll be taking this as a Bollinger.
Actually, short term, sir. Actually, because we are worried if there is a correction.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, on the 21st, it fell by 9%,
Uh-huh.
but then recovered in 2 days.
Yeah, because this is again like a sharper structure. You no need to worry in these kind of structure. Maybe like until and unless it crosses this down, but it won't happen. Or like the sideways, if you see here, just see, in case of this sideways, it is going to go for the long. After this correction, it won't be coming down, or like if it is coming down also, it will be recover, or as soon as it hits the low, it will be going to go one more
So
up.
are we getting 6,600? That's the first resistance.
Yeah, you will be getting above this. Like for example, here you might get some flat kind of a structure or a triangle once again, but you will be getting one more up, probably 10,000 or 11,300 you might get, because it is in the third waves of fifth. So after that one correction, and after that you will be getting one more up. So hopefully you will be minimum.
Safe to park.
Yes,
Safe to park.
safe to part. And for
Okay.
here, if I see with this, I will give you some rough targets with um I have some Bollinger Band strategy. So there, okay, I'll add this minimum to, if I'm wait for a second, I'll be adding the indicator BB. Okay, so wait, daily. Yeah, it is highest one, and second highest is this.
Yes, sir. Beautifully set for fifth.
Yeah, so it is here. If I'm taking just, so it is a third to 261% is minimum that we can expect. So that has done already. So to this is a 161% is this, and 261%. So hopefully this is like a fifth we'll be doing. So after this also, like if you are thinking this as a correction, so here you will be getting at least this. So stay in a buy, sir. There is no hurry in exiting this.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, wait for a second. Yeah, Bosch, I'll say. Yeah. In case of Bosch, if you are looking earlier, also we talked about this. So this is like a longer correction. I'm just removing this log scale, and it has come to the 80%, I hope, from the uh, low to high. Yes, it is at 80%. So it is good buy. If you see this whole longer correction, so you will be getting some opportunities here to buy, or if it is coming near 12,000, whatever the area, maybe to the 8,000 to the 12,000 area will be the buying area for us to at least go for 35 and 43 in future, because this is a longer correction. It will be going for like one good buy, or at least to the 80% of this correction, which I'm expecting in this case for Bosch. Like for example, this is 1 and 2, A, B, and C. 1 2 3 4 5 something ended, or if it is like expecting one more correction also, no issue, but it will be going to go for 80% minimum. So that is 23,000. So whatever the level is, the 12,000 and 23,000 means almost 100% you will be getting. So look for buy, not for sell. In case of daily, I'll be looking like you will be getting any preferred entries. So on the smaller time frame, let's take this as a low and this as a high and one more up. Or from Fibonacci, you can go with this, like at least 131% and 61% for 18,000, 16,000. So look for buy, not to sell. Okay. If it is coming near this also, no issue. You can buy one more for 16 and 18,000. So look for buy in case of Bosch, not to sell. Okay. Whoever just reminded, you can go for the buy, and like everyone else can go for the buy. Okay. Yeah. Just started. It is the second session. It started. If you have any doubt, you can ask the Deepak Chorashiaji. Yeah, Tata Motors and TCS both daily. Okay. TCS we discussed, I hope, in a weekly forecast of one more TCS we discussed, and Tata Motors I'll help you out with daily and hourly both. It is a sideways, and after that, see here in case of Tata Motors, something has happened. Again, the kind of structure of neutral triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, it started going upside, but not in a very sharper way that we usually expect in bullish market. Let's take this as like one more trend line. Okay, hopefully with this, yeah, it has not crossed the level in a sharper form, but hopefully I'm not going to buy in case of Tata Motors. If it is coming to near this structure, that's fine. Again, it will be going to go one more down before it can go any further up. So there it will be good buy. If it does like this structure and slower form of correction, we can go for the buy, but not presently. So I'm not in favor of buy in case of Tata Motors presently. We can expect some correction or one correction before it can go any further up. So expect some correction. If you want to buy, maybe buy near this if you are getting somewhere around 91 or 120 once again, or at least like a slower correction to this. Slower means slower, maybe to another year. If you get some correction and not falling downside, then go for buy. Presently, no buy in case of Tata Motors. Okay, Lupin monthly, then daily. Okay, Lupin. Okay. It is for the buy again, like the same. Already we have seen the chart that of Bosch now. So here in case of this also you can expect some upside moment, not very much long, but at least you can expect some upside moment. Here you see the correction and see the accumulation here. There has so many positions or so many uh, stocks or has bought, and after this see the moment and it has crossed the high. So you are getting the price somewhere around here, or 795 or 790, 780 or 800, you can buy. Or here you are getting 900, no issue, you can buy in the both side. Or at end it will be going to go for the 80%, and minimum to minimum is if it is doing the structure that of the zigzag or something new, at least for the minimum you can expect is 1500 and 1700 in case it is doing the flat. Okay, so minimum you can expect is 1500 in case of Lupin. So buy for Lupin, not sell on the weekly. If you go daily, yeah, daily you can wait this structure to pass if you want to buy. Not that if you're not buying in case of daily, so you might expect some correction, maybe to this level or this level. On hourly again it will be like a sell. Okay, yes, beautifully sell. I mean, it is not like exactly we'll be getting the sell, but if you see the moment or a kind of a sharp moment first and to the sideways moment, so you will expect some correction here or a slower form of sideways. So if it is slower form of sideways compared to this, then it is going buy, or else one down before it can go any further up. So look for sell in case of hourly and daily. In case of weekly, it is a buy. So look for sell, not for the buy in case of Lupin for hourly basis. Yeah. MRF and Maruti. Okay. So keeping this aside. MRF Limited. Fine. Time frame. So daily. By default, I'll be looking daily. If you ask me to see in any time frame, so I'll be looking to that. Yeah. Weekly. Okay, fine. It is for the buy because here it has given some breakout and started something new, I hope. So this is a correction. So it will be going to one more up. So look for buy, madam. In case of MRF, again, it is going to go for, hopefully, let's, for 1 lakh. So look for buy, not for the sell, because here something has ended. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 structure, or like something ended here and new structure has started here point. And maybe two, if it is like a complex correction also, there is a chance it will be doing this and going for the upside. So look for buy, not for the sell on weekly basis. And if I see with the daily, let's see. Yeah, it is good to buy because if you see this correction after this sharp movement, you can expect one more buy, at least in a lower time frames. Okay, Maruti. Yeah, so this chart is prepared already. So earlier we were looking this like A, B, C, D, and some E structure. So it has finished now. I'll remove everything, but it is in the form of slower, but at, if you see this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and sideways, inverted head and shoulder kind of a structure.
Yes.
Until and unless it crosses this down, don't look for the sell. You can stay in a buy, maybe to one more this, that is near 8,000 once again. Okay, probably 61% will be the resistance, I hope. So we'll see with the Fibonacci. Yes, it is near 61%. So you can expect some correction, or like if it is not breaking this, you will be seeing the 80%, that is 8,500. But do you want me to say like whether it is going for the buy? Um, yes, you can say that, keep 6,700 as a SL and go for buy, but not looking like a very aggressive buy here. We can expect some correction or something ended here. Let's take these kind of a structure and breaking sharply to the upside, then we can say okay, this is going to go for the buy. But here at the end, it is not looking like that. But if you see only this much, means at the end part, here we can say okay, something has broken to see this as A, B, and C. That's it. But if it is crossing this trend line, so don't go for buy. If it is staying above this, we can look for the buy. Okay. Yeah. MRF is looking good, rather Maruti. Sipla. Yeah, you can stay in a buy. This chart is already like prepared one. I mean, just need to adjust this. Yeah, go for buy at least like 902, and after that also you will be getting buy. So there is no need to sell in case of any pharma stocks. All are looking buy. So see this moment. If you see these kind of a moment in any stock, like so probably it won't be going to go stay or the come down any near time. At least like after see the correction, then fine. If you see some correction and one more up, so 900 and 1100 can be expected or more than that. So stay in a buy, not for the sell in case of Sipla. Bharati. Reliance we covered, I hope, in weekly forecast. You can see that presently it is for the sell on the hourly basis, not for the buy in case of Reliance. Okay, you can check the video if you haven't attended the first one. Okay. Here, Bharati Airtel, it is for the buy, but presently you might expect some correction, or like if it is going like this, also one more correction before it can go any further up. Okay. So we'll see in a weekly. So what it can say. On the weekly basis, it is strong. See, if I'm seeing this a longer correction of maybe to the from 2008 to 2019, or like 10-12 years, it is not going to come down. That is for sure, because if you see this accumulation or this correction after this moment, it is surely going for the higher side. And like a rough target I can give as per this Bollinger Band is, hopefully, like if it is crossing visually 700 and 1000 rupees. So look for buy, not for sell. In case of Bharat, if it comes down also, no issue, you can buy one more time. So you'll be seeing 700 and 1000 in the future. So look for buy, not for the sell. Yeah. Sundaram Clayton. Okay. Time frame, please. Sundaram Clayton is there. Yeah. Daily and weekly. Okay. Fine. So I hope we found one more chart. Thanks for this. Like this moment is sharper, and hopefully, like if I'm adding imaginary trend line, because this is not a valid trend line, because anywhere it can break. But if you see this last moment or here, I can take this as like something ended here. Okay, this is the upside moment. So most probably 1 and 2, and this is like a ABC, and 1 2 3 4, or some ABC X ABC. Okay, and this is for the buy. Minimum you can take 61% as of now. That is 205 first and 4393. So look for buy. It is going to go for at least 61% to make a zigzag, or 80% to make a flat, or something new to go still higher. So it depends how it goes. Okay, it is going slower and correction. At least you can expect it to go 4000 and 5000 change for time being. So look for the buy, not for the sell. This is weekly and daily. We'll see how it is behaving. Yeah, it is for the buy. And in the slower time frame, let's take this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If something like in the fifth wave it is doing 3 and 4 and 5, after that you might get some little bit correction and one more offer. So look for buy, not for the sell. Okay, and someone has asked in the like in the voice, if I missed anything, you can ask me now, or any chart you want me to look.
So Coal India on a hourly time frame.
Okay.
Actually, looking at January expiry option, where
Mhm.
there is a chance of a ratio of 1:5 on
Okay.
the call option. But of course, you'll have to enter exit because of time decay.
Uh-huh.
But if you see the spot, it will be beneficial for everyone actually.
Mhm.
It's only 2 rupees and 90 paisa as of now.
Okay.
So I've already gone in and come out reading the chart based on your Fibonacci and
Mhm.
angles.
Mhm. Mhm.
So
Mhm.
it's now come down because of the correction that took place.
Yes, yes, because it is slower compared to this fall.
Right.
Yeah, and one more, it can happen like something has new started here. That also possibility 1 2, like a 3 4 5, and here you can take it ABC. That structure also has got over here ABC, and when you add this as like a trend line, it has crossed but not close below that.
So chances of decline is high, sir,
Wait, I'll go for
on
daily.
the hour, on the hour. Actually.
Yeah, hourly. Yeah, decay is more, I hope. Yes, because if I adjust with this channel also, or like if I can take this and
So
add time.
wait for buying, sir. Then
Yes, wait for buy. Wait for
and spot wise, what could be that level, sir?
so wait. So here it can does like one more time. So there,
Right.
hopefully it will be like a 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. And after that, we'll be expecting some correction before it can go in further up. And for the upside, you can look for this because here it's something has ended in the form here. C, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, or something has ended here. So something has started. So if I see at the end, if I look like something given a confirmation is not here because not crossed in a timely. So I hopefully need to take this as a new high or something new started at 113 level. So then
Correct.
it will be like 1 and 2, whatever it is, and this is presently 3 and 4 and one more 5, or at least like after this correction, let's take flat or triangle, one more up. So this may happen.
Okay, so that means levels to enter would be somewhere around.
You can
One-
enter now, like if you somewhere you're getting like you can do one thing, like you can enter, you thought of buying 100 shares, you can buy 25 now. If
Okay.
you're getting somewhere around here, you can add 25, or else like whenever it crosses 25, you can add one more 25.
Yeah, very strong support at 118, 120.
Yes, yes. And hopefully I was looking two charts I want to show you, maybe the Gale and this REC. These two are also looking good. I don't know fundamentally how they do, but as per the chart, they are looking good. Means after this ended correction, this moment is sharper, and as per this trend line, here it has given some breakout. So hopefully it will be going to 80%. Visually means 180%, 180. That is again a 50% return may happen in case of Gale. And if you see the overall, like if you want to see like this, then this is boom, 240 or 261% will be 391. But there is no confirmation, but at least like 80% of 50 to this will be like 181 can be expected.
Maybe like an investment.
Yes, for another 2 to 3 months or 4 months or 6 months interval, one can get that.
Right.
And one more RAC is there, so we'll see that also. Like RAC is also longer correction, and here we'll be getting some buy, maybe correction, but after that we'll be getting one more up. And if I see overall structure, it is for the first and second wave, which whatever it is happening. See these
Okay.
kinds of moment. So if it happens also, that's fine, but ultimately it has to go for a higher side.
So would this be like a squeeze, sir, actually?
Yeah, this is squeeze, and whatever the time frame it is going, maybe like 73 to, let's take high as a 200. 70 to 200 will be 130 points. Most of the time that they will be going for 200 to 300%. So
Okay.
130 is 300% will be like somewhere around 390 rupees, or at least 200% 260 rupees. That is plus this. Maybe if I'm correcting only to this or this, like 200 plus 260 will be 400 or 460. That will be the target which may come in case of RAC.
Sir, BSC.
Huh? BSC?
Yes, BSC Limited.
VSC.
B, Bombay Stock Exchange.
Okay. Sorry. BSE. This one? BSC Limited?
Yeah. It's 616.
Yeah.
It is inverted head and shoulder.
At the end. Yeah, kind of. But what will happen, ma'am? Here, if you're seeing this as an inverted head and shoulder, if I'm so considering this as a, let's say 1, 2, and 3,
Mm.
4 and 5, not a inverted, but like neutral triangle we can
Neutral.
take, but neutral triangle that has to go at least for 161% of this. So I'll check with that. Yeah, it is going. Yeah, it is for neutral triangle. You can take like this. You can take
It is 161%
of this,
fall.
ma'am. A, B, and C. So it
Okay.
needs to
Fall.
be 161%, or at least like minimum like a longer fall, and after that a smaller. That
Smaller.
also you can consider.
Mm.
Like this will be 161% inversely. That can be taken, and that also you can take like a neutral triangle, and we'll see whether the correction has ended. Here minimum you can take this presently. So something started but not timely breakout, but hopefully you can take this as a one more support and resistance. Like if something has given a breakout here, valid at least, right? Here it is a valid breakout, so we can
Yes.
take this as a low and wait for this correction, or at least like only you can take this time frame and this is high. If 100% got over, you can enter, take the entry.
Okay. So it is the 80% of the total fall now. Retrace.
Yes, ma'am. 80% means for upside.
Yeah, for upside.
If it is a two-way structure, we can expect. But for example, let's take, ma'am, this is a and B. If something has 1 and 2 or 3.4, C has over here. So A, B, and C, X. Here A, B, probably C, right? A two-way structure again. Yeah, it might not be going for the downside at least, or like A, B, C has got over or little bit.
Complex structure here.
Yeah, most of the time in this case, like a double zigzag or a double correction, they will go for 50% first. So that you need to keep first target as a 50% retracement. That is for 736. Only if it is a two-way structure, then you can expect it to go for 80%. Only two-way structure. Here it is not looking like a two-wave structure. For example, this is 1 and 2. So if I take this as a 1 and 2, let's take that. So if it is like 3 and 4 here, this is a 5. Then also you need to look internal waves again. Like there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, or only ABC, X, ABC. So seeing this structure, it is not in favor of two-wave structure, but some complex correction, definitely it will go to the 80%. Not 80%, 60, 50% first you can take. After that, you can take to 61%. Because meanwhile, what will happen? You have to see the time also. So how it behaves there. If I see price wise, it did not cover 30%, right, ma'am? Means from the down, 30% will be 61% this, right? This is a 30%. At time wise, it again covered a 30%. So hopefully, if it is does like this, maybe in the form of triangle or flat, it can end. But for the flat, again, it has to go. So firstly, you can keep this as a 50%, then to the 80%.
Sir, but also we can see the inverted head and shoulder.
Here you can see, and for the inverted head and shoulder, if you're seeing, only target will be the whatever the body is there. So if you think this as a body,
Yeah, that's a steep one.
yeah, you can take this as a body. That's it. So where you are ending? 780.
Correct.
And
Short.
as per this, same, near to that. Means inverted head and shoulder, that's fine, but inverted head and shoulder is there, but body is less, right? If you're taking the whole body, that will be your target from this point.
Right, I'm talking just short term.
Yes, yes. Yeah, short time you can go. I'm saying that 730 you can go. No issue. But here it is slower form. So hopefully maybe after this we can enter. Not wasting the time here and sitting in a correction.
Right.
Yeah.
Sir, OFSS, sir, if anyone has not asked.
Yes, yes. I see IOC and then OFF. Yes.
Yeah, Oracle Financial.
Okay, Oracle Finance, and yeah, I have looked maybe a day before yesterday or something. I have looked.
Yeah,
the
look,
chart.
looks
Yeah,
like
it is
a-
looking for the buy. I hope remembered, but I'll see the chart once again. Yesterday or day before yesterday, I have seen maybe it has given
super
some bullish candle, maybe
Super
on
bull.
daily basis.
Right.
IOC daily and hourly. Okay, IOC presently we can look for the sell because here at the end it is in the sharper downside. Daily basis it is for the sell. On the hourly basis it is for little buy. You can take like from here 60 to 80%. So here you can see, ma'am, only two-way structure, the A, B, and C. In this kind, you can expect it to go 60%, 80% first before they can go any fall. not like double correction. So in this hourly basis, you can expect some correction, but overall it is for the sell. So look for sell setup, not for the buy in case of IOC. So we need to see Oracle, or it will come
OFSS, sir. OFSS.
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
3-2.
Correct, sir. Correct. So is it good to enter tomorrow? I mean, that's the because I'm just waiting for this nifty correction, and
Yeah, it is fine, but the reversal is sharp as per if you say weekly. This is like a V structure.
right.
That is good. Most of the time in this kind of structure, they will be correcting 30% or above that only they'll stay. They won't be coming for the 30. So this is 30 here.
Good to enter. Good to enter.
Yeah, you can enter, or if you're getting 2.8 or like a 2.889, that is good thing. Because here, if I see at the end, it might come to that point. At least to 2.890, it will come.
So maybe buy partially and
Yeah, then you can wait, because sometime what will happen, it will go and
Right.
won't come back. So you can buy
exactly.
and wait for this. So it will happen. So
Actually,
maybe
the targets are coming to like 3.8, 4,000, 4.2, somewhere there.
for channel you can take minimum. Yeah, you can expect. Yeah, 5,000 it can go, or 80% will be visually 4.142 can be expected, as it happened in Bitcoin. Like it has not given chance to enter.
Sir, are we allowed to open an account as an Indian citizen?
Now they are saying we are allowed, but don't know.
Okay.
Oh, it reached 26. Oh my god.
Yes, sir. Today, actually,
So we were like
for academic purposes.
yeah, maybe Anshu has asked here somewhere around 19,000. I said it might not be giving you time to enter. He said that I'll be entering to Holisa here, and he asked me to enter. Like if you're getting anything or any where you have, you can invest in this. He told me, and this is 19,000 and probably 27,000. Wow. So they have a target of 1 lakh in next 1 or 2 year, maybe. Or
But the original Bitcoin is at 20 lakhs.
yeah,
The original Bitcoin is at 20 lakhs today.
yeah, fine, must.
Just imaginary wealth.
Yes, we can't play this these kind of the charts, means I don't know.
Yeah.
Probably this will happen. Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you.
Right, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good day.
Good night.
Yeah, good night. Anything else or any one's doubt if I not taken, so you can ask. There is 1 minute time is there, or else we will end the session.
Then quickly, Coforge, sir. Coforge.
Huh?
NIT Technologies. Coforge, it's called. COFORGE. So even if the time is over, don't worry.
Yeah. COFORG.
Yeah, hourly.
Index I'm saying now. COFO.
R.
Mhm.
Yeah, that one.
Hopefully, here I might expect some correction, maybe running flat. After that, we can buy. And here also it is looking like a flat. So at least we can expect 2091 or something.
Okay. All right.
Then we can look for the buy.
Sure. Thank you,
Hopefully,
sir.
we'll get down first.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for attending. Have a good day apart. Thank you.